Today, people, we will be exploring the mind. Back in 1774, lots of treasures of lost scrolls were left here. We will be walking through many Niueans corridors that no one has ever seen or has ever returned from.
Why are you so ashamed to be Niuean? What's behind this fuck of my Niuean? Why are you so plastic Niuean? What are you thinking? My thoughts are savage, Niueans. These fool-a-hoarded switches from yelling to mumbling. You ain't a pal of me, my family ties, but not with the MONA-TA and MONA-TA5. My analogy ain't for salary, as I roll reality through galaxies. For centuries it's sent to me, with the center Biaka, Stado, and Ungas and Takihi. With a chain represent slave ships from Tonga to Samoa, from Torres Strait Islanders to Australia. And all you know from Okalana, Otahuhu to LDS, Niuean in my manga word. Wasn't driving too fast, I was flying too low. You think I'm K-Tonga? Too quick, I think you're listening too slow. I'm abruptly stomping the deck. Hollow assumption. You diss while your family say I'm the best shit since being a savage. By an obstruction of turning something to nothing. From poor success to more success, and still ripping every new way and function. Funking it up, pumping it up, jumping the la-he-woes. Looking to hump Miss Junk in the trunk, full tie me up. Niuean Toas are the craziest. Tuapa Toas are the craziest. Toas are the craziest. Hakupu Toas are the craziest. Toas are the craziest. Toas are the craziest. Namukulo Toas are the craziest. Lakipa Toas are the craziest. Toas are the craziest. Toas are the craziest. My lyrics be laced with 40 ounces of Niue, blue coconut crap venom. You get rushed, you get bust. You call yourself calling my bluff. Enough's enough. I'm putting it down with my savage dog, Niueans. This one goes out to all the people who be questioning my skills. Niueans, I've been rocking since Captain James Cook, and we feel that we build careers of fun to use. And Niue has the best tarot when you know it. So all the rest come up and test, but only stress is what you'll find. Taking time on you, we don't write. And time on you, we can't rhyme. Shrinking and sleeping Unga. I eat like good and plenty lyrically. Tuia, 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 yeah. That's why they call me Niue. And oh yes, I just appeal to the masses, young to old folks, the upper lower middle classes. They don't begin with no pico picos tangata. They begin when Niue, we pick up the kata and pat up the dresser lest the man should ever challenge Tao Niue. With 14 villages, experience of ripping these dust, put in our hands. Niuean Toas are the craziest. Samakato, Toas are the craziest. 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 I got these new hit fake guys to rock a polyness of me, and I'm on top of the bar. Me when a sea snake go thrown like this and don't and born again. Throwing the ball, the brim is broke to the back. I'm brawling bad from brains, the balls, the boots work, the burp, bamboo, break the loot, blowing up brain cells. Boom, like Niue. Assume the same suit, Kaiuli, that fly shit with the flavor. Cause my tongue me follow last name. And sipa sipa ayo, but still my sidekick with that hide quick. If you slide quick, door, you clock, your door, you click. You ain't rolling if I die, see car. And what you ride with, do I snipe shit? So on a MONA-TA5, leapy like the youngsters. About to take you on some Kamata and God ride, see, cozy. If you ain't doing your whole pause, then don't pump it. I'm hitting DJ Lama Night in Toneville, cause he hooking me up for this Vala shit. Fuck these light hoes, I rock it. And from now on, if you bite my shit, when I see you, I'm